So a lot of you guys were asking me about my script and what I'm using to actually pull the data or how I'm pulling it. It's a mix between a lot of Yahoo Finance, Thinkorswim, BarChart, and Twitter. And I am using a Python script to do it. But obviously I'm not going to share it because it's mine. Fuck you guys. I'm not sharing it, right? Like, if people keep asking me, I'm not going to share it. I'm not putting it on GitHub or anything. Like, I'm not sharing it. But if you guys do want to get something close to it, go to BarChart. If you guys actually want to get serious about certain tickers that have very unusual stock activity or options activity, use BarChart. Just filter it by expiration date, go to the nearest one, and you guys can basically see, everything that was bought, what strike, everything that was purchased right here. How many, how much was actually purchased, the open interest, like everything you guys have is like right here. So just letting you guys know, if you guys want something that'll kind of help you guys out, BarChart is the way to go. They actually also have a paid service that provides you with more information. But that's if you guys really want to, get serious about options. And I don't know if you guys need it or not, but yeah, you guys can use BarChart.